Quotes matter. 5 seconds. Ready, start. Based on the aforesaid agreement, the SSC purchased land for which the countrywide promoters private limited has reimbursed all costs and expenses with respect to the acquisition of the said land, and also in conformity with the collaboration agreement, the SSC has received fees calculated at the rate 35,000 per acre, which is duly credited to the profit and loss account as the income stop. Section 40A applies to expenses or payments not deductible in certain circumstances. Stop. It starts with the non obstante clause providing that the provisions of this section shall have effect notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in any other provisions of the Act relating to the computation of income under the head profit and gains of business or profession, subsection within bracket 3 of section 40A is an exception to the deductibility of expenditure under the computation provisions of profits and gains of business or profession. Thus, axiomatically, what does not fall within the computation of income will not attract the provisions of section 40A. Stop. The SSC further submits that the sum paid by it for purchase of land does not fall within the term expenditure as it is used in section 40A. Stop. The SSC has also contended that the land has not been purchased by it as stock in trade, and it has not claimed the cost of land as any expenditure while determining its income under the head profit and gains of businesses of profession, and hence the provisions of section 40A within bracket 3 cannot be applied to make any disallowance. Stop. The above submission of the SSC has been considered, and after careful examination of all the facts of this case and provisions of section 40A within bracket 3, it is found to be not tenable for the reasons discussed here in below. Stop. The SSC company is one of the group companies of BPTP Limited. Stop. During the year under consideration, it has purchased land from the farmers oblique villagers, and necessary sale deeds in favor of the SSC company were executed by the villagers, and the possession of the land was taken by the SSC company. Stop. After getting the possession of the land so purchased, it has handed over the same to Countrywide Promoters Private Limited, another flagship company of BPTP Group, for development and construction of proposed township in pursuance of the collaboration agreement. Stop. In consideration of the transfer of land to CWPPL, the SSC company has earned an additional income oblique fee of rupees 35,000 per acre, which was over and above the cost of the land. Stop. Over.